Hey, to connect the JBL Wave Buds with the Android device, like for example this Android smartphone, first of all you will have to remove both earbuds from this charging case. And right now you will have to click and hold on the both earbuds until this indicators starts blinking quickly. And now you are able to release these touch sensors, and you will have to keep them out of this case, move into the Bluetooth settings, click to pair new device, and from available devices select the JBL Wave Buds. You will have to accept pairing, and additionally you can go into the Google Play Store where you can download the JBL headphones application. So you can click on the download button. When it's downloaded you will have to open it. Now you will have to wait for this welcome screen. Now tap accept. Accept all of these permissions one by one. And as you can see, we have to select the JBL Wave Buds. And when they are available, you just have to wait for a few moments, and then you can click get started. You get some kind of the tips, but you can skip them. And as you can see, here we are. We can find a lot of features right here. So this is it for this video right now. Please subscribe.